This is the DJI Osmo Nano, the first of its kind, and we're gonna unbox it and see what the experience is like. And yeah, we have the Osmo Nano right here. It looks like you get a little screen. Oh, that's gonna pop on top. Okay, it's kind of like their other one, the Action 2, which we also have. It has a 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor, 4K 60, 10-bit color, and 143 degree field of view. It's magnetic and fast charging with 200 minutes of extended battery life, live view remote control, and direct to their microphones, and 10 meters or just about 30 feet waterproof. This is 128 gigs built in and a standard combo bundle standard. Okay. So, yeah. I'm about to actually get on a flight here to Sydney, and I'll get some cool footage there. But first I wanted to unbox this. Okay, so this is it right here. But let's have a look at what's in this box first. How do we open this? Right, like that. This is going to be the suction cup right there with the magnetic mount on there, and you can angle it around. All right, a little housing for that action camera. Little like hat clip. This is pretty cool. You have your charging cable or data transfer. So you wear it around your neck. So this is the Action Pod here, if that's what they call it. It's waterproof to IPX4. Do not use the multifunctional vision dock underwater. So it's splash resistant, but it's not waterproof, this part right here. So this is the wireless screen, and you can also, looks like, power it on there, hit record, and it has mounting options on the bottom. And here is the camera itself. It's contacts and slots may become hot during use. Avoid prolonged contact. Okay, so like, yeah, if you're using that, here is the lens right here. Let's go ahead and pull that off. Ooh, very nice. That is a nice looking big lens. So this will actually be good even in low light. So this will sit here. Or you could switch it around if you wanted to film it the other way, which is nice. So you could see the screen either way, whether it's selfie or the other way, which is great. So let's just power it on for fun, and I'll give you an example here. This is the old Action 2, so kind of the same concept, but that's with the macro lens on there. But then also here is the Go 3S. I know there's a Go 4, actually Go Ultra out, isn't there? And just for size comparison, definitely not as good of a lens as the DJI. Let's have some fun with it. Other than that, thanks so much for watching the unbox.